Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on AM token. In my earlier video, that was showing you that AM token broke out a down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after that, we had a nice short rally in the price and got stuck inside in another down channel. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame, then you can see that after the breakout from this recent down channel, we had another short pump where the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of 1 cent and dropped down. And now we have also broken down the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel. Therefore, now I'm not following this breakout anymore. However, this previous breakout from this down channel is still valid. By the way, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel that I was telling you in my previous videos was here at the top of the channel. That was approximately at 1.2 cents. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target. It got rejected by this long-term down trend line resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this down trend line resistance is a very, very long-term resistance because it is coming from here from the month of November 2021. We got rejection here, another rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that was happening here in the first week of December 2024. Right now, we are almost testing this long-term support of $0.0058 here at $0.0045, by the way, not at 58. And this level has been previously working at a resistance here for several weeks or months. Before that, it was working at a resistance here for several weeks, and for several weeks, it has been working as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for PHB, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared almost 5 days ago with my members. And here you can watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of AM token. And here you can see that recently we broke out this down channel. And after the breakout, our expected target was here at the top of the channel at 1.2 cents. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. That was a very nice pump, by the way. From this low to here, it was almost 426% rally. But the pricing got rejected by this very long-term downtrend and resistance that is coming from the month of November 2021. We got rejection here. The next rejection was happened here in the month of March 2024. And this is the most recent rejection that is happening here in the first week of December 2024. Now we have broken down this very significant support zone that starts from $0.0065 and goes to $0.0058. That was previously working as support zone here and resistance on here for a few weeks, resistance here as well. And here for a few weeks, it was working as support, and now it can be again flipped into resistance. And now we are testing this very long-term support, the next long-term support of $0.0045. That was recently working as a resistance here. Before that was working as a resistance here. And for a few weeks, it has been working as a support here as well. In case of breaking it down, the next support will be here. That will be approximately at $0.003. And from there we can expect another bounce that was working as a support here, resistance here, and support here. Right now, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that the price line is bounced from this support of $0.0045. So far, the price line could not break it down. And now, if we will have another price reversal from here, then we need to break out so many resistance levels. First, we will need to break out this resistance. Then we will need to break out another resistance zone that starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, resistance on here, and support on here as well. And then we will need to break out this long-term downtrend line resistance. By the way, the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very, very massive pump. From this other here, it was almost a more than 1,633% pump, but still the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.